it's Mícah and welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my nails, y'all, like. But anyways, so today I'm gonna be installing this wig. I already wore this wig before, but I never filmed the video. It's by LAVYHAIR. I'm not sure if this lace was HD. It did pass as HD, but I think it's like a transparent HD. I don't know, but I didn't bleach the knots. I was being lazy when I first installed this like 2 months ago. It's 24 inches, but I washed it and then I just re-straightened it. I probably need to go back in with my flat iron and like re-straighten it. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Everything for the wig will be in the description box below. Make sure you have your post notifications on for when I post, baby. Okay, so I'm just gonna be slicking my edges back because under your wig cap, like, you gotta make sure your edges is all the way back so it doesn't get like caught up with the glue and stuff. Like, that's literally how your edges be thinning out. So make sure your edges is pushed back and the wig cap is covering that. Once I do that, I'm gonna put free spray all around the wig cap after I cut the holes in the ears, you know, make the wig cap customized to my head. But yeah, so I put free spray all around the wig cap just to make sure that the wig cap is secured and stuff. You know, like, I don't know how people be doing like the lace glue with the wig cap. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna try that, and I've seen other people do it, but I'll just stick with the free spray for now. So yeah, I'm gonna blow dry the hair and make sure that everything is, like, you know, very dry, because if it's not dry, it will start lifting if you cut it. And then I'm gonna put the lace tint spray all around and make it look like an actual ball cap. So yeah. Once the ball cap method is done, now you could go onto your wig and going down the lace. So this is the part about a reinstall that makes it so hard, because there's so many flyaways, and once the baby hair is already cut, there's already short hairs, and then they get mixed in with the long hairs. Like, it's literally so hard to do a reinstall if you're not really like very precise about where you're putting everything at. So just to make things easier, I try to get all the flyaways and push them back so they're not in my way while I'm trying to work on the lace.
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Trust from a distance. I think we should rule out the limit for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to keep leaving. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. We're falling apart.
Fizzle production. Whoa, Missy, the princess is here.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night. Working in the middle, sunlight. Ride the all night. Working in the middle, sunlight. Working in the middle, sunlight. Ooh, baby, do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now we're drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up. You know the feelings deep inside. So what? You, what we've been through. I miss you.
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like we were fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out the women for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to keep leaving. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. We keep falling apart.
Okay guys, so I just finished installing the wig or whatever. It didn't take that long at all. Like, it literally took less than an hour. It's not even 7 o'clock yet, and when I started it was like 6. Yeah, that was actually like really easy for a wig install. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like I hate like all the flyaways when you're trying to like, you know, redo the baby hairs. For a reinstall, like this is dead OD. Like, I'm dumb. And I did haven't worn a wig in so long, so I'm just feeling the wig. Like, it's very much given, okay? I'm trying to think like if I would prefer to not have this swoop, but like when I first installed the wig, it was originally a side part. I mean, it don't look bad as a middle part. That's it for this video. This was really a quick, easy install, and the hair is very much still given. Like, I had this in for mad long when I was in Cali. After I came back from Cali, like I said, everything for this wig will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Thank you, LAVYHAIR, for sending me this wig. I'm very much feeling myself right now. Like, it's given, yeah, baddie is back. Like, I had braids in for dumb long. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.